How's it going, everyone? We are discussing how many cubic centimeters are in a cubic meter. This is an excellent example to use when you're starting out talking about unit conversion. And people are tempted to say, well, there is 100 centimeters in a meter, so you think, well, 100 cubic centimeters in a cubic meter. Well, that's actually incorrect. So let's go through this. Let's imagine our cubic meter. So we have a cube, and each side of that cube has a length of 1 meter. So we have 1 meter here, 1 meter here, and 1 meter here. Well, what would a cubic centimeter look like? Well, imagine a cube down here where each side length of that cube is 1 centimeter. How many such cubes would fit along this single front bottom row, right? And the answer is, well, 100 of them, right? Because there is 100 centimeters in 1 meter. But those 100 cubic centimeters, they don't fill up the entire cubic meter. They just fill up this one bottom row, okay? Now, what if we want to fill up the entire floor of this cubic meter? How many rows of these cubic centimeters would we need? Well, there would be 100 rows along this length here, because again, 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and each of these cubic centimeters is 1 centimeter in length, and the entire length here is 1 meter. So a single row contains 100 cubic centimeters, and we have 100 of those rows just to form the floor, right? 100 cubic centimeters in a row, and 100 of these rows just to fill the floor, okay? So the entire floor space here is going to have 100 times 100 cubic centimeters. But how many layers are we going to have the size of that floor? If we had to stack these layers to fill up the entire cube, how many of those layers would we need? Well, we would need 100 again, because once again, the height of a cubic centimeter is 1 centimeter, and 100 of those will fit in 1 meter. So we have 100 times 100 times 100. Well, 100 cubed is 1 million. So, the answer to our question is that 1 cubic meter is 1 million cubic centimeters. Now, we could have answered this without drawing the cube. We could have just used the relationship drawn right here. And here's how. Keep in mind that when we write 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, the meters and the centimeters are not just labels. These are mathematical objects in this expression. 1 times a meter equals 100 times a centimeter. We can perform a mathematical operation on this expression. We can just cube both sides. And then simplify. 1 cubed meters cubed equals 100 cubed centimeters cubed. 1 cubed is 1. 100 cubed is a million. centimeters cubed is centimeters cubed. So 1 cubic meter equals 1 million cubic centimeters. So if we have a question such as 2.7 meters cubed equals how many centimeters cubed? Well, each meter cubed is a million centimeters cubed. So 2.7 meters cubed is going to equal 2.7 times 1 million centimeters cubed, or 2,700,000 centimeters cubed. So, I hope you enjoyed that, and it clears things up, and until next time.